Roslovic, right circle in the Carolina zone around the net. Centers, score! Mika Zibanejad off a beautiful feed from Jack Roslovic. Rangers lead 1-0. Rangers win the face-off. Trocheck, right circle, down low, Kreider to Zibanejad. He scores! What a play! Mika Zibanejad. It's a power play goal. Rangers lead 2-1. Who was outstanding in the Washington series. Face-off win. Panarin got it back to Gustafsson. To Panarin, right point. In the middle, center of the blue line, Gustafsson. Right point, Panarin works it ahead for Kreider. Into the middle, Trocheck to Zibanejad. Trocheck scores! Vincent Trocheck. It's a power play goal. And the Rangers lead 3-1.
This is a bit of comedy of errors. The puck comedy aired its way onto the stick. Vincent Trocheck, but it's support off the offensive zone face-off once again by Panarin that the Rangers get possession. Mika Zibanejad is going to get his third point. He just kind of chips it over, but the puck kind of waffles its way off the Kreider and onto the stick of Trocheck. To the back of the net, Sam. Ranger power play 2 for 2. Penalty kill 2 for 2. And now Gensel.
Gensel and Rempe do some jostling. They're separated. What a start for the Rangers.
Wow. Well, we talked about the special teams, right?
Wow.
Special teams and goaltending, brother.
Puck cleared out of the zone. A hard hit by Martinook on Trocheck. Chipped ahead by Burns, but knocked down by Lafreniere. Leads Panarin. Left circle. He shoots, save. No! He scores! He scores! It went through Freddie Anderson. And the Rangers lead 4-2.
I think what happens here is Panarin fakes a shot or a pass. He drops his right shoulder, and I think Anderson bites and never gets himself set. So it's again, Martinook gets a big hit on Trocheck on the far side. That opens up the ice. He looks. I just don't think Anderson got set. He never got set. I think he thought the pass was coming across. Then he played a little bit of catch-up, and Artemi Panarin gives the Rangers a 4-2 lead here with 11:39 left in regulation.
And once again, we said it right at the top. Your best players looking to be your best players. Zibanejad 2 goals in the game. Panarin with another goal, his third of the playoffs. And the Rangers now regain the 2-goal lead. They break up the rush. Cooley with a play to Shesterkin. False start. Linesman didn't drop the puck.
That's good. He left both center icemen in.
Zibanejad is on the ice as well. Puck dropped, won by Trocheck, back into the corner. Good play by Svechnikov to Aho. Down low, it's broken up. Kreider got a piece of the pass. Kept in by Carolina in deep. Svechnikov around the net, checked by Lindgren. Along the boards, Zibanejad tried to move it, and he got clipped with a high stick, but the puck deflected over the glass and out of play. Rangers want a penalty called.
No, I think they're wondering whether the Rangers.
All 4 officials are huddled up, trying to see who cleared that puck over the glass.
And where it ended up. Where did it go over the glass? Because the puck ends up on the bench.
Now this, I believe, next season will be reviewable. I think they're working on that. They've been discussing that.
So now we take a look. Trocheck bats it with his hand. And
right,
Trocheck bats it with his hand. And it's just a matter of, it's hard to tell whether the puck went right into the bench or over the glass and into the bench. Because I think if it goes over the glass into the bench, you're in trouble.
That's right. Well, right now, the 4 officials are in front of the official scorers table discussing what happened to see if anybody saw anything directly. Chris Kreider is standing nearby. So is Jordan Stahl. And the referee is pushing them back, waving them back so they can further the discussion. There is 40.5 seconds remaining in regulation time. The Rangers are leading 4-3 and trying to come away with a win in game one.
All right, this is quite a discussion here.
Lengthy discussion. It's still going on. Carolina players are huddled up by their bench and talking offense. The Final Five is being brought to you by Tito's Handmade Vodka. Tito's Handmade Vodka is America's original craft vodka. Visit them at titosvodka.com.
Oh, this isn't good. This is not good. Yeah, no, he's not going to make an announcement unless there's a penalty.
So,
yeah,
it's Trocheck going into the penalty box.
Trocheck gloves the puck. Now the question is where it went. Now again, the linesman right away signals that it's out of play on the call that it goes over the glass. Right away, the linesman makes the call.
To tell you the truth, Dave, I saw Brent Burns hit Mika Zibanejad with a high stick, and I thought that was going to be the call.
Right.
But nothing was called there. Now it's 6-on-4. The Rangers can shoot for the empty net from anywhere without worrying about an icing. That's the one thing, but they've got to get the puck.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the key, Sam. Can you get the puck?
Lindgren got taken down. The penalty is called. There's a penalty called on Carolina.
Yeah, that's going to be on Svechnikov.
Svechnikov took down Lindgren right off the faceoff. Well, that evens things up a little bit.
That is a gutsy call.
Carolina penalty number 37 is a 2-minute minor for tripping.
Oh, wow. Now again,
19.
Looks like Zibanejad and Aho are having a discussion.
19:25, the time of the penalty. Anderson is back in the crease. The face-off will be down in the Carolina zone.
Right.
Rangers are leading 4-3 with 34.6 seconds remaining. Trocheck is in the penalty box, so that's one of their regulars on a power play, but this won't be a power play.
The key with Trocheck is he's your best face-off guy, right?
Yes.
You want to get possession because the clock's clock's on your side because you've got it down deep in the offensive zone. You need possession here.
It's 4-on-4. Rangers have Trouba, Lindgren, Zibanejad, and Kreider on the ice. Aho against Zibanejad. Taken and sent back by Slavin. To the bench goes Anderson. 5 skaters on. Carolina's net is empty. 25 seconds to go. Aho lost it at the line. Broken up by Zibanejad. He's tied up. He chips it ahead. And it's taken out of the crease by Brent Burns. But only 12 seconds to go. Aho to Jarvis. Left side. Played to Jarvis. Missed the deflection. Steered away. 3 seconds to go, and this one is over. Rangers win it.
Wow, it's right. And thank goodness it's over.
What a game. What a start to this series. And the Rangers continue their outstanding play on home ice, which they had all season long. They got the lead. They were tied. They got the lead. They held on. And the big push by Carolina comes up short. The Rangers win game one, 4-3.
Yeah, they do. And Artemi Panarin with the game winner after Carolina had scored twice to pull the deficit to within one. It would score again to make the deficit one. So net, I mean, it was a battle right to the bitter end. And the Rangers have game one of this very compelling playoff round, Carolina and the Rangers.
And this Garden crowd on its feet, saluting the Rangers' effort in Game 1. We'll be back to wrap things up. New York Rangers hockey on ESPN New York, and the MSG Radio Network continues after this timeout.